Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tech Guilt. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to select your category for your YouTube channel. Now, when I first started off, there wasn't a video out there that told me what category or how to select a category for my channel. In fact, it was later on where I discovered how to see other people's category. So, if you have a favorite channel that you visit a lot and you want your page to be modeled after that, I suggest going to that channel and scroll down to their About content and click See More. And it should show you their category. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for you right now. So since I have a tech channel, I'm going to visit two of the most viewed tech channels out there, which is MKBHD. And we're going to check out what category Marquise has. So I'm going to go down here and click Read More. Show more. And there it goes. There it is, guys. The category. He is under the Science and Technology category. Now, I'm not sure what these categories necessarily mean, but this video is just to show you what other YouTubers are using. So now I'm going to go to Unbox Therapy. And we're going to see what category they're using. I'm just going to click on one of their random videos.
Normally.
And we're going to come down here to See More. And there it is, guys. Their category is set to Science and Technology. Now, when I created my YouTube, I had just, by random choice, I just picked Science and Technology. I was originally going to do it to how-to, but after seeing that they're all using Science and Technology for tech videos, I think that I'm pretty safe with choosing that. So if you like this really quick, short video, then be sure to give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and consider subscribing. Peace, and I'll see you next time.
I don't know nobody that can do it like this. I've been on the ground like this, like this, like this. Do you like this? Don't nobody do you like this, like this, like this. This is my shit. You be like, this about as good as it gets. Do it like this. Do it like, do it like, do it like, do it like this.